Welcome to our channel Upscale Learning.
Hello my friends, in this class let's learn opposite words. Opposite words are pair of words with opposite meaning or different meaning. It's very important for kids to learn these words because these words help them to learn better, write better and understand better. In this class, let's learn some of these basic words to teach to kids if they've just started learning opposite words. First one is tall, T-A-L-L, tall. Opposite of tall is short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Tall means lamba, short means chota. Second word is in. Opposite of in is out, O-U-T, out. Third word is up. Opposite of up is down, D-O-W-N, down. Fourth word is under, U-N-D-E-R, under. Opposite of under is over, O-V-E-R, over. Fifth word is front, F-R-O-N-T, front. Front means aage. Opposite of front is back. Back means piche, B-A-C-K, back. Sixth one, B-I-G, big. Opposite of big is small, S-M-A-L-L, small. Big means bada, small means chota. Seventh one is before, B-E-F-O-R-E, before. Opposite of before is after, A-F-T-E-R. Before means pehle, after means baad mein. Eighth one is full, F-U-L-L, full. Opposite of full is empty, E-M-P-T-Y. Full means bhara hua, empty means khali. Ninth one is hot, H-O-T, hot. Opposite of hot is cold, C-O-L-D, cold. Hot means garam, cold means thanda. Tenth one is happy, H-A-P-P-Y. Opposite of happy is sad. Happy means khush, sad means dukhi. 11th one is dark. Dark, opposite of dark is light. Dark means andhera, light means ujala. 12th one is on. Opposite of on is off. 13th one is day, D-A-Y, day. Opposite of day is night, N-I-G-H-T, night. Day means din, night means raat. 14th one is N-E-A-R, near. Opposite of near is far, F-A-R, far. Near means pass or dur means far. 15th one is M-A-N-Y, many. Opposite of many is few, F-E-W, few. Many means bahut, few means come. 16th one is quiet, Q-U-I-T-E, quiet. And opposite of quiet is noisy, N-O-I-S-Y. Noisy means shor, quiet means chup. 17th one is more, M-O-R-E, more. Opposite of more is less. More means jada, less means come. 18th one is G-O-O-D, good. Opposite of good is bad, B-A-D, bad. Good means acha, bad means bura. 19th one is S-M-O-O-T-H, smooth. Opposite of smooth is rough, R-O-U-G-H. Smooth means chikna, rough means khurdura. 20th one is H-A-R-D, hard. Opposite of hard is soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Hard means sat, soft means naram.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.